Meow. So just getting that swing up for the ears there. I try to do the ears as one entity to, keep the unity in the drawing. So I'm just I've got the video at double speed here, and I'm just mapping in this kitty here. Yeah, you see me checking, make sure the angle's right there compared to the photo. Doesn't have to be exact. The photo's just a guide. Put your own style into it too. Keeping the lines nice and fluid. And just adding some lines to get those eyes in the right place. Create a little pocket there for the eyes to go in. And here I'm just kind of making sure the muscle structure is right, so those arms look natural and comfortable. I had Siamese cats for years from the time I was a kid and into my 20s, and I just love them still. I love all cats. I'm sure you do too. Tighten up a little bit more to get these eyes in. This one's a bit more of an awkward angle for me. Gotta find the angle that works for you. And get that muzzle. I'm just putting the nose in here really gently and subtle, because you're not going to really see a bunch of the nose because of the Siamese markings once we get them in, but I want a bit of a smirk there too. I love to give my cats character and soul. Darkening up the lines that are important now, and allowing the extra lines to just blend into the background as tone and movement. Just keeping the lines minimal too. Less is more. It's really about the lovely expression and character and the life and movement in the drawing. Mucked up that ear a bit. Fix it up. Never underestimate the power of the eraser. Don't overuse it though. Sped it up really fast here to get those markings in there. So just to, I not carried away with the markings, just enough to show that it's a Siamese cat, because I still want to be able to see the lines. Lines are very important in my style. We're going 4 times the speed now to finish this drawing up. Just a hint of toes. I love to hear from you. Please drop me a comment. Let me know what you like about drawing cats, or what you want to learn about drawing cats. I'll do my best to get it on here. Thank you so much for watching today. There's lots more videos to come. And I need your ideas.